He gave him a lot of water. He started giving him lot of water. For 2 days he stopped feeding him. उन्होंने उसको 2 दिन तक कुछ खाने को नहीं दिया, and he just gave him water. Then the doctor started giving him some light food. And after 2 days, 2 दिन के बाद में मिस्टर हैरियट ने ट्रिकी को बिल्कुल हल्का खाना खाने को दिया, लाइट फूड दिया. He gave him no medicine. And after 2 days, Tricky had started taking interest in his surroundings. And because Mr. James Harriet was a veterinary surgeon, he knew this very well, that only and only problem was overfeeding. Tricky का बीमार होने का जो कारण था वो था उसकी overfeeding. इसीलिए उन्होंने उसको 2 दिन तक कुछ खाने को नहीं दिया और पानी सबसे ज़्यादा दिया. और 2 दिन बाद जब ट्रिकी में इम्प्रूवमेंट उन्होंने देखा तो उन्होंने उसको लाइट खाना खाने को दिया. Then he gave him no medicine. और इस दौरान उन्होंने उसे कोई मेडिसिन नहीं दी. He never gave him any medicine. He was not given any medicine by the doctor. And after 2 days, Tricky started taking interest in surroundings. And Tricky became active after 2 days. 2 दिन बाद Tricky active हुआ. उसने अपने आसपास की चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट लेना शुरू किया. He mixed up with other dogs. He enjoyed being rolled over. He became a member of the gang, and at home he had almost no exercise, but at the surgery he had a lot of exercises and fun. Controlled diet and activities made him active. Now what was changed by Mr. Harriet? Mr. Harriet ने ट्रिकी के खाने का जो पैटर्न था और खाने के जो तरीके थे उसे बदला. और क्योंकि वो मिसेस पाम्फ्रे का बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाडला डॉग था, उसका पेट डॉग था, एंड मिसेस पाम्फ्रे लव्ड हिम very much, so he was not given any kind of activity, and certain activities or physical activities at Pumphrey's house जिससे कि उसको डाइजेशन में मदद मिले. So James Harriet जो है हमारे वेटरनरी सर्जन, he knew this और उन्होंने उसी चीज़ पे काम किया. He gave him a treatment जहाँ उन्होंने उसे कोई मेडिसिन नहीं दिया, and he gave him just water for 2 days. After that he gave him light diet, and Tricky was again interested in surroundings and started mixing up with other dogs also. He became the member of a gang, and at home he used to do a lot of exercises. At the surgery जो डॉक्टर का हॉस्पिटल था वहाँ भागा दौड़ी करना, दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ गेम्स खेलना, रोल ओवर करना, and he used to enjoy all that, which he never did at Mrs. Pumphrey's house. Mrs. Pumphrey remained anxious about Tricky's health. The doctor told him that he was better and was improving. This made her think that he had gone through some surgery. Now Mrs. Pumphrey was very anxious about Tricky's health. Mrs. Pumphrey को बहुत चिंता थी कि Tricky की health कैसी होगी. And when Mrs. Pumphrey called the doctor told him that he was better, he was improving. And because of this, Mrs. Pumphrey thought कि शायद Tricky के ऊपर कोई सर्जरी की गई है. Now again, because she loved him a lot, सर्जरी के बाद वीकनेस आता है, बॉडी वीक हो जाती है. ये सोच करके मिसेस पाम्फ्रे ने फिर से अपनी ओर से ट्रिकी के लिए स्पेशल डाइट मिस्टर जेम्स हैरियट के यहाँ पहुँचाई. शी प्रोवाइडेड अ स्पेशल डाइट फॉर ट्रिकी एट डॉक्टर्स हाउस. सो शी सेंट 2 dozens of fresh round eggs, wine and brandy for him daily so that he might recover soon. और उन्होंने अपने यहाँ से रोज़ 2 दर्जन अंडे, 2 dozens of fresh round eggs, wine and brandy for Tricky so that he will improve quickly, he will become healthy quickly. ये मिसेस पाम्फ्रे की थिंकिंग थी. उन्हें लगा क्योंकि ट्रिकी सर्जरी हुई है उसकी, उसका कुछ ऑपरेशन हुआ है या ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया है, तो उसको मैं ये सब चीज़ें खिलाऊं ताकि वे जल्द से जल्द ठीक हो सकें. But the doctor did not give those things to him because he really did not need this type of diet. The doctor and his partners enjoyed those eggs, wine and brandy, and after a fortnight, Mrs. Pumphrey came to collect Tricky. But Mr. Harriet never provided those things to Tricky. उन्होंने वो सब चीज़ें कभी भी ट्रिकी को खाने के लिए नहीं दी। हालांकि मिस्टर हैरियट ने और उनके दोस्तों ने उन चीज़ों का बहुत अच्छा इस्तेमाल किया। दे यूज़ टू हैव फीस्ट। उनको तो मज़ा आता था ये सब चीज़ें खाने में और वाइन और ब्रांडी वगैरह कंज्यूम करने में। आफ्टर फोर्टनाइट मिसेस पम्फ्रे ट्रिकी को लेने सर्जरी आई। शी वॉज टेंस एंड वरीड and she did not hope that he was all right. But when the doctor brought Tricky, he jumped at once into Mrs. Pumphrey's arms, and she was surprised to see all this. And now, finally, when Mrs. Pumphrey, she reached the doctor's house, doctor's dispensary, surgery to collect Tricky, Tricky came out and he jumped into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap, and she was very happy to see Tricky in such good health. And she said that it was a victory of a surgery. So that's why the lesson has been named as Triumph of Surgery. So children, this is an explanation from this lesson. Your teachers will be explaining you in your online classes. You will be having any kind of doubt, then you can ask your teachers during your class. We will be also sending you worksheets, classworks from this lesson. Kindly do it in your fair notebooks. Thank you very much.